Namaste, my name is Swatisri Dagua. I am a student at the Infotech Computer Center. Today I am going to share some shortcut keys with you. Let's start. Ctrl plus A, Alt select, Ctrl plus B, bold, Ctrl plus C, copy, Ctrl plus D, duplicate, Ctrl plus E, alignment center side, Ctrl plus F, find to, Ctrl plus G, go to, Ctrl plus H, replace, Ctrl plus I, italic, Ctrl plus J, justify, Ctrl plus K, hyperlink, Ctrl plus L, alignment left side, Ctrl plus M, new slide, Ctrl plus N, new page, Ctrl plus O, open, Ctrl plus P, print, Ctrl plus Q, white, Ctrl plus R, alignment right side, Ctrl plus S, save, Ctrl plus T, new tab, Ctrl plus U, underline, Ctrl plus V, paste, Ctrl plus W, close the window, Ctrl plus X, copy, Ctrl plus Y, window, Ctrl plus Z, window.